Welcome back, I'm Danny the Dinosaur Drawer, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video with this charcoal sketching set. So yeah, we're going to be opening it up and seeing what it's like to draw with charcoal. I really have no experience in the field of drawing charcoal. I always use this mechanical pencil instead, but yeah, I got this for Christmas and I haven't actually unboxed it yet. But yeah, I decided to make a YouTube video out of it and we're going to unbox the different things. We got like an eraser, a sharpener, a little smudger type thing, and some sticks of charcoal, and some charcoal paper. Let's open this thing up. Pretty easy. 3 long, these look actually more like pencils, charcoal pencils. So that would explain the sharpener, obviously. And then here like some charcoal sticks. You have to be really careful with the charcoal because it really smudges, as you can see on my finger. Like it's really smudgy. And we have this shading type thing. I've used one of these before. I got it in a shading pencil set, and it works okay. But your finger can work almost as well. I can see sort of why you would like it because it's a little. You can like control it more than your finger, but I wouldn't recommend buying one of these that much. We have a nice eraser here. It says this one here says it's a kneaded eraser. I've had a little experience with these. They're okay, but my favorite one are is like this type over here that I've been using in a lot of my videos. I highly recommend this one. It doesn't make that many crumbs. It doesn't break apart easily. There's also like a bunch of other variations of eraser, like a pink eraser you can get at most like school supply stores. That one will work fine on almost all drawings. So really the eraser doesn't matter that much. And kneaded erasers are usually kind of expensive, so I wouldn't recommend getting one of these. It's a little hard to get it opened here. And as you can see, it's like really rubbery. And you're supposed to like break pieces off of it and stuff like that. So we're just gonna break a piece off here. I'll get the rest out of it later. We have another eraser here. Then open up. These little wrappers are kind of difficult to open. And for all of you who are wondering, yes, I am going to do a tutorial on Titanoboa from the game sooner or later. I know that's been like the most highly requested drawing so far. Next to Udon, I know a bunch of you really want to see a Udon drawing come out, so I will have that come out sometime this spring. So yeah, let's get into our charcoal drawing. I'm just gonna be doing a quick sketch of Brachiosaur or something. Maybe I'll zoom in a bit so you guys can see a little better. And yeah, we'll start with, well, the pencils aren't really sharpened, so I'm just gonna be using the charcoal stick here. And the kneaded eraser, which I assume is for the stick. This one seems more for the pencils, but it could be the other way around. There's no instructions, so just gonna play around a bit. So it didn't really wear that much off, so that's nice. That doesn't wear off too quickly. I may have started that a little too big. Go to the next page. So yeah, let's just do a simple Brachiosaur type dinosaur. Might even make it a cartoon style type thing. You guys probably all recognize Brachiosaurus from Jurassic Park. It's also in Jurassic Park 3. We did see a little bit of a Brachiosaur in the new Fallen Kingdom trailer. And I will probably be doing a drawing from that scene as well. Most likely it'll be a speed drawing, because that would take too long to make a tutorial out of. I know you guys like the tutorials a lot more than the speed drawings, but there's a small amount of my subscribers who enjoy the speed drawings, especially the ones who are not artists. and just like to enjoy watching the video. So I'm trying to have like a mix between the two, the speed drawings and the tutorials. I know, yeah, a lot of you guys wanted me to do a Titanoboa tutorial, but that one drawing you guys saw of the speed drawing of Titanoboa, that would have taken forever to do a tutorial on. It took me around 40 minutes to complete it, and I was drawing pretty fast. Like normally when I'm doing a tutorial, I'm taking a little more time to explain and slowing down for you guys. So yeah, that would be impossible to make a tutorial out of. But hopefully the one from the game will be a little easier to make a tutorial out of. So yeah, as you guys can see, I'm not really that experienced with cardboard or with charcoal drawing. We might be doing a few more of these in the future, some charcoal drawings, but I think we'll mainly stick to mechanical pencil, because pencils and pens are what people normally have, not charcoal necessarily. So yeah, that's what this thing can do. It barely wore down at all, which shows that it'll last a long time, which is nice. Here we have the kneaded eraser. I'm going to test the effects of this eraser. Very nice. It can clean up all the smudge lines I've created. Try the other eraser out. So this one seems to be more for the pencils, as you can see. It doesn't really erase the charcoal at all. So I was right in my guess of which was which. This is definitely for the charcoal, the kneaded eraser. Won't necessarily erase the thick lines of charcoal, so you have to be sort of careful when you're drawing with charcoal pencils. But I'm actually going to sharpen one of these pencils and see how it works out. Also, I know a bunch of you would like me to draw a few more things from Hungry Shark Evolution. I will have the Dunkleosteus from Hungry Shark Evolution coming out pretty soon, so be looking out for that video. The pencil broke here, so I'm gonna have to sharpen it again. That's annoying about regular pencils, and that's why I recommend this mechanical pencil over regular sketch pencils. Even though, like, if you're really going to make a professional drawing, you might consider using sketch pencils. This mechanical pencil is good for almost everything. So yeah, these pencils give me a lot more control than the little charcoal sticks. So I'll probably be using these when doing a charcoal drawing, not the charcoal sticks as much. The charcoal sticks look like they're more meant for like when you're doing shading and stuff like that. But yeah, I love the feel of a nice pencil in my hand. So yeah, if you guys would like me to do a charcoal drawing in the future, it'll probably be a time lapse, but that could be fun. Please comment below what you'd like me to do with my new charcoal set, and I will get to it eventually. So yeah, leave a comment, you guys, and a like, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks so much for watching.